this is Mega K Brickware. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be building this, the T-34-85 Soviet medium tank. It was one of the tanks mostly produced by the Soviets during World War II, but the production did not begin till spring of 1943. So the Soviets have to up their game in their tank production and needed a bigger gun, so they put an 85mm on this tank to deal with the Germans' heavy armor like the Tigers and the Panthers. And then they used this tank to drive through Berlin, and also this tank was used during the Korean War by the North Koreans, which they used to invade South Korea. Eventually it failed on them. This tank was used by other countries during the Cold War as well, which Soviets sell to them. It comes with over 600 pieces, and it was designed by John Canepa. As this is the second variation of the T-34-85, as they built one before. This was produced back in 2019, and they have a current one which used by the North Koreans during the Korean War, which you could buy for $295 right now, and it comes with the North Korean tanker. So I will sort out the pieces and start the build. this is the finished build of the T-3485. It's a front, it's a side with 2 fuel canisters, it's a back with the 2 more fuel canisters, and here's one more on the side with the fuel canisters. Use Brickmania trims. The turret does rotate 360 degrees. The gun does elevate and depresses. It does have 4 opening hatches, 2 on the turret, like this, and also it opens from back here. Oops. And cannot get it open, so this will open right here where the driver fits through in the wheel tank. Right there. To beat the minifigs are like this. Of course, it does not roll. But you want a smooth surface like this on a piece of paper. And it also comes with the suspension. And some of the Brickmania tanks, which is I like. Because I'm using